How to make application from Google Sheet for free. District will save you tons of money and time because you can make beautiful and functional app for your business or for whatever you need with only Google Sheet, and remember, this trick is free. First, you must open your Google Sheet, and then I have an example sheet in here. I was taking note of my selling from my computer store, and you can look this simple table below. You must remember the first row must be column name. Like this example, this is item column, this is price column, this is buyer column, etc. So in this table, I have mouse with price $5 and buyer John Hopkins. John Hopkins by total quantity of 56 mouse, and then total buying price is $280. So I assume you have already knew how to use Google Sheet. Okay, and then you must glideapps.com. Glide Apps is the tool well used for making app from Google Sheet. You can use it for free because they have very generous free pricing. After you sign up for free to glideapps.com and you fill some survey, you will be presented with this dashboard in Glide Apps. For now, just choose Basic App, and we will start with data from Google Sheet. And then we click Basic Data, and we wait for Glide to loading. And now, as you can see, we have presented with mobile presentation of our default app. Now, we will connect this app to our Google Sheet by clicking this data. You can see now this table are not showing data from our Google Sheet. Then we must click in the setting. Then you must click on the data. And then you can click Connect to Google Sheet. Now you can see that showing our sheets from Google Sheets. And I will select this. Now I will select Selling Data, and then we click Select below. We come back to Layout. We must click in this Items, and then we click Source. The source must be Sheet 1. Now you can see this is automatically show our data from our Google Sheet. Like example, we click in this item LCD monitor, it show price, quantity, and total, and you can customize it later. But for now, we will finish this tutorial, and then we will continue in part 2.